Wind power is critical to the European Union to reach its 2030 climate, energy and security goals. We need to build 31 gigawatts of renewable energy every year, but currently we are only building half of that.
In most EU countries, including here in Denmark, it takes several years before one can even start constructing an onshore wind farm. Building an onshore wind farm has typically been a long permitting process. Long permitting times are one reason, and in worst cases it can even be 10 years.
I'm a city planning official in the Danish municipality of Vesthimmerland. Processing permit applications is one part of my job. I'm passionate about solving the sustainability challenge, but I also want to develop projects that respect my community and nature. Each wind farm permit application can be 200 or 300 pages long. This is the paper trail for just one project. We have a lot of different public bodies involved in permitting, so there's correspondence with them here, as well as with community members and project developers themselves. And I should count myself lucky. In some EU countries, there are more than 80 different public bodies involved. In Denmark, we do already submit all papers through a digital platform in the municipality. So we were skeptical that there could be something else that could ease the process. But when you think that today there are so many tasks that could be automated, making our work more efficient, we were open to try. So we worked with AWS, Accenture and Wind Europe to create this solution, which leverages cloud technology to store data securely and allows to control user access. It was great working with the teams who developed this tool. We work step by step, and I can actually see how my challenges are being solved by features in this tool. This is why Easy Permit solution is such a game changer. Right from the offset, my home screen dashboard shows me everything I need. It's simplified information management. I can assign responsibilities, deadlines, send reminders and notifications to colleagues in the different public agencies. Submission templates, progress updates, automated documents, checks is all there.
I can see the progress of each application. I can answer questions, review comments in real time on a single source that is stored in one single repository. It gives me confidence that the application is progressing.
The most important thing is this allows us to be transparent with our communities. There's a third profile for residents, so they can easily see relevant details of planned projects.
I think all municipalities and wind developers should use a tool like this. It just makes such a difference when the process is transparent. Everyone knows the status of each stage. Documents can be easily found and edited if needed.
As a public sector organization, we need to be transparent about the pros and cons of those most impacted. And this working in the open has fostered a stronger, more collaborative community. This cloud-based solution gives us confidence that the data is secure, available and that this can scale up. This solution that we are using for onshore wind could easily be used for permitting process of offshore wind, solar grids or other sustainable projects. It's great to see digital transformation positively disrupting and hopefully leading to faster but transparent development of renewable energy projects.